Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my second video about holiday decoration and the Christmas decor. I promise you I will show you room by room. So as you see, maybe you see my last video. If you're not, then you can check. It was for the entrance decoration, and now I'm going to show you my living room. So I will start from here. I always have I really love to have the nice tables. So this table is actually always there, and I change this according to the seasonal decor. But the candle holders, they're always here. So I bought this acrylic reindeer also from Dollarama, which you call Dollar Tree and we call Dollarama. And so I start my stairs with this. Just add few the color I like I always like the peacock theme, the sky blue, the royal blue, and put some fairy lights in there. That's it, but it looks, I think, beautiful. So you can try this. And then this is my staircase. So I do the same thing. This is the garland from the Walmart I bought when it was on sale. This tray, it's a country, like the country, I like the country vibes things. So this tray is also from the Real Canadian Superstore. The real price, I think it was $19, but I bought it off season, so almost like $4.75. And then this green balls, I bought it from the Lowe's, and I don't know the regular price, but I bought it from the off season. It was $19. And these candle holders also from the Home Sense, and just add the candle, and then just add some touch in the form touch in your winter house. I always love this, to add new things. I like country vibe, so it's everywhere in my house. You see a lot of country feel things, which I really like. And I just add this garland at my staircase. I always actually put the garland on the one hand, I mean on the one set. I always leave the upstairs one. Maybe next year I will do it, but this time I decided not to go too overboard. So I just did like the minimal, by the way. So then I just add the lights by myself, and this berry garland, it's also from Dollarama. It was $4, and this is, I think, $1.25 from the Dollarama. So it's all together just under $10, and the garland price usually is like $49 if you go Home Sense, and if you go Michael's, it's like $49, $59, depends on. So I think it's not a bad price for this big garland. And then the same thing I did with my fireplace. Add this garland here and go with one theme. So it's gold and red. And these mousses, the mousse you see, actually I bought from our Real Canadian Superstore when the season was end. So I bought it from, I think, $4, but the real price was, I think, $18 per mousse. So just add a light. The lights are also from the Dollarama, and it was $3 per set. I showed you in my last video, so you can check. And if you like it, you can ask me if you want to know where from I bought these things. And then this is my Christmas tree. So I made actually one more video how you can turn your Christmas tree from the regular green to the frosted icy tree, but this video will come later, so you can check for the next week video. And that's how I completed my living room. Look, the living room and the entrance, it's in the kitchen table. I add, and this is the garland. Actually, I also bought from the Dollarama, but I add the ornaments by myself and the light. So the garland was $4, the light was $3, and the ornaments I already have it. So altogether it was less than $10, so really nice price. So like the video, subscribe the channel, and wait for more nice videos. Hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Thanks for watching.